Wait. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, it's recording. Oh, okay. Hi, this is my first video. So, yeah. I forgot to do the intro. Okay, whatever. So this is gonna be my first video. And it was in the mountains. I just found this thing and I was just being an idiot. So, just watch. Get out of here! I'm recording. I got it. So yeah, I watched this and like I don't know why in this video it just makes my voice way different, like way off. Like whoa, like whoa, my voice. Whoa, bro, you went through you hit puberty very hard. Your voice. Whoa. Okay, so just watch. So this is my first video, and this is gonna be my first video on YouTube. And and I'm shy. I'm kind of scared that I'll screw this video. Like, don't that like, wait. Oh, okay. Like I screw up in games. Yeah. So this is gonna be my first video I watch. It's just me being an idiot. Okay. So yeah.
Okay.
Jesus, it's too loud. Man, what? So I'm just running, we found this thing, we found this animal, I recorded it, and I made a channel. Then I thought, why not just put this video in this channel? So, hey, my first video, hey, who cares? So, oh wait, sorry.
That is what we found.
Yeah.
There you go, idiot.
Oh, I don't know. Sorry.
Flip it.
Cousin, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry that I called you and I posted this thing in YouTube, and I'm sorry that I put this video in there called you big idiot. I'm sorry, but sorry. Yeah, so we found this dead animal.
We found a dead raccoon. How cool is that? Okay. And we found his spine. How cool is that?
It may be a spine or a back.
And we found his tail.
How? Oh wait. Oh. So technically that was my video. So yeah, I stopped recording for a while because my brother came. I was like, oh, okay. What? Wait. I'm gonna. So this is my first video, and I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy my video, and enjoy my stupidity. Yeah, I got that. I have too much dumb ideas. Yeah, I say too much dumb stuff. So yeah, well, let me check it. It is recording. God, jeez. I just screwed this part of you. I'm screwing up my videos very badly. So yeah. Yeah. And also, for future ahead, I might play one of these games and record them and publish them, and yeah. So these games, I'm gonna record them and then upload it to YouTube. So yeah, be ready to watch me being an idiot at every game. So yeah, this is my video, and I hope you like this video. So yeah, and yeah, that's all. Goodbye, I guess. Okay, bye.